Hi, I'm Jeff Cording with Medical Equipment Specialists, here to discuss the different components that make up our power wheelchair. First of all, our power wheelchair consists of two major components. We have the base and we have the seating. The base is for the drive mode. The seating is the positioning, tilt, recline, and your elevating leg rests. All these functions are controlled through our joystick, which controls both the base and the drive. If there is ever an issue with either the drive component or the seating position, a joystick LED will give us an error code. So it's very important that if we do see an error code come up, to make a note of what the code is, contact your authorized service provider so they can help diagnose what's going on and make the appropriate corrections. The most common things are that the chair will not go, and usually that's because it's in a lockout mode for safety. So once again, we're going to use our joystick to determine if that is the case. The joystick is the communication brain of the chair, which provides us with a lot of information of what's going on with either the drive mode or the seating mode. And that's the information that you to pass on to your provider to help diagnose what's going on, so that we can rectify the situation of the problem. And those are the two most important parts of the chair. And just when communicating with a provider, just determine what's going on in the joystick so you can communicate that to the provider, and also what the issue is that you're experiencing if there is no message on the joystick. I hope this information. All right, and here we have our charger. That's also used for charging the chair. We have our green light showing that the battery is fully charged. We have our 3-prong connector, which goes into the joystick. When that is plugged in into the joystick, the chair is locked out for safety reasons, and when you power it up, the chair will not drive. So you will not get injured or hurt yourself while that's plugged in, and you'll get a code stating that the chair won't go. So on the base, we have some components also that we need to discuss, which is the drive wheel, your rear caster wheel, and your front caster wheel. On the seating, we have our armrests. We have our armrest, joystick that articulates. We have our elevating leg rests with the foot plates. So these are just some features of the power wheelchair. And when you speak to your provider, if you're having an issue, just mention what it is relating to the problem and the part. Thank you for allowing me your time today. And if you need any assistance, please feel free to call Medical Equipment Specialist or an authorized service provider.